Alright guys, I'm doing a new bike check, got some new parts, so yeah, let's get started. Top, I got ODI long neck grips in blue with Odyssey power ends. They're really good, I've had them for a while. I got some Fit Aiken bars with a Fit BF stem. Been running this stem since I had my old bike, so 2 years. I really like it. Forks are stock from my old Fit. For tires, I got Demolition Machete tires. Really good, been running them for a couple months now. Wheel setup, I'm running Alienation Black Sheep rims laced up to a Mission Stalwart FA hub. It's pretty good, hasn't given me trouble yet. For pegs and all that, I'm running a Shadow Little Ones peg with the G Sport hub guard. And then frame is a Sunday Gary Young Pro frame, not sure what year. Didn't really get much info when I traded the frame. Seat, we got the Shadow Conspiracy. Can't think of what it's called, but it's the one with a skull on it. That's all I know. Got an Animal wedge post. Yeah. Got Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. I've ran them a couple times now. Got some just regular Fit cranks. Also new, I have the Shadow Crow sprocket in raw. So yeah, I'm running the KMC 510 chain. It's pretty nice so far. In the back, I have another Shadow Little Ones peg, Animal pin hub guard, another Demolition Machete tire, and then wheel setup is a Alienation Black Sheep rim laced up to a Mission Interpret FA hub. So, there's my bike for now. Don't know when I'll be changing stuff up, but it's pretty dialed so far. I really like it, fits me well, and yeah, so comment, like, subscribe, and give it a favorite if you liked it. If not, oh well. So see you guys later.